Welcome back to Ctube. Today let's talk about UPVC water pipes. First, what is UPVC? UPVC stands for unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. It's a rigid, durable plastic that doesn't bend easily. This made it perfect for cold water supply and bathroom drainage solutions. UPVC pipes are smooth inside and out, which helps water flow easily and reduce the change of leaks or blockages. They're also resistant to corrosion and chemicals, so they last a long time without rusting or breaking down. For connections, UPVC pipes usually use solvent cement to create a strong leak-proof joint. You simply apply the cement to the pipe and fittings, then push them together. No special tools needed. They are lightweight, easy to handle, and cost-effective, which makes installation simple for pumpers and engineers. Ctube offers a comprehensive range of reliable, easy-to-install UPVC pipes and fittings, specifically engineered for high-performance bathroom drainage systems. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.